Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to do addition worksheet in class 4. We all know that addition is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. Children can do the sums in this video easily if they are very confident with the addition concepts that they have learnt in class 4. I have dealt with all the concepts that the children learn in class 4 in addition in separate videos, links to which is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. Now let us go into the details of this video now. The first question is, if 23,450 plus 12,550 is 36,000, then 12,550 plus 23,450 is 35,000, 36,000 or 37,000. The answer is 36,000. From the properties of addition, we know that two numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Let us do the next sum. 65,347 plus 0 is equal to 0, 65,348 or 65,347. What is the answer? Yes, the correct answer is 65,347. We know that when 0 is added to any number or when any number is added to 0, you get the same number. This is one of the property of 0 and also property of addition. Let us do the next sum. 65,347 plus 1 is equal to 65,348, 65,347 or 65,346. This is also one of the properties of addition. When 1 is added to any number, the answer is always the next number. So what is 65,347 plus 1? The answer is 65,348. Let us do the next sum. If a number is added to itself, the answer is 0, double the number or the next number. What do you mean by this question? If a number is added to itself, means you add the same number again with the same number. So it is like doubling the number. So the answer is double the number. Let us solve the next set of questions. 1,448 plus 18 is equal to, we have learned this concept in mental math. How will you quickly do this sum? 1,458 plus 20 minus 2. So the answer is 1,476. The next question we have is 3,452 plus 23. How will you do this sum? You add 20 and again add a 3. 3,452 plus 20 is 3,472. You add a 3 again, you will get 3,475. The next sum we are going to do is 3,317 plus 27. How will you do this sum? You can add a 30 and subtract 3. When you add 30 with 3,317, you will get 3,347. Next, you will have to subtract 3 from 3,347 and you will get the answer 3,344. Dear viewers, these are all mental math concepts where you don't have to write the numbers one below the other in vertical format. You can avoid the carryover concept and do these sums very quickly. I have taught these methodology of doing mental mathematics in a separate video, link to which is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. The next sum that we are going to do is 1,617 plus 19. To do this sum quickly, you can add 20 and subtract a 1. 1,617 plus 20 will give you 1,637. And you subtract a 1, you will get the answer 1,636. See how quickly you can do such big additions very easily using the mental math concepts. The next sum we are going to do is 2,345 plus 17. To do this addition, add 20 and subtract 3. So 2,345 plus 20 will give you 2,365. 2365 minus 3 will give you 2362. The next sum that we are going to do is 3158 plus 21. See, this will have a different kind of addition. To reach 21, you can do 20 plus 1, which is an easy way to add. So 3158 plus 20 will give you 3178 plus 1 will give you 3179. The next example here is 5639 plus 33. How will you do this addition? First add a 30 and then add a 3. So 5639 plus 30 will give you 5669. You add a 3 again, you will get 5672. The last sum in this series is 4217 plus 22 will give you the answer 4239. How did I do this addition? I added 4217 plus 20 plus 2, which will give you the answer 4239. Hope you're finding the questions to be interesting. Stay with me to the end of this video as I have many more such interesting questions to test the understanding of the children on the addition concepts. Here we have two 4-digit numbers to be added, but I have given a few blank spaces in the second number and also in the answer. So let us see how to solve this sum. Instead of giving the normal way of addition, you could give such sums which will make the child to think before answering the questions. First, write down the place values. As it is a 4-digit number, you will have the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So begin the addition from the ones place. In the ones place you have 1 plus dash is equal to 4. The answer is 4 in the ones place. So what you should get in the ones place to get the answer to be 4? You will need a 3. So the ones place is over now. Next move on to the tens place. In tens place you have 4 plus 2, which is a straight addition. You get the answer to be 6. Next move on to the hundreds place. In hundreds place you have 6 plus dash is equal to 8. So what you need in the dash to get an answer to be 8? A 2. So 6 plus 2, you will get the answer to be 8 in the hundreds place. Next move on to the thousands place where you have 5 plus 2, a straight addition. You get the answer to be 7. So the sum of the two numbers 5641 plus 2223 will give you the answer 7864. Isn't this an interesting way of testing the children? Let us see some more examples like this. Next question here you have is dash 3 dash 5 plus 6 dash 2 5. And in the answer you have 9905 followed by a dash. Let us see how to fill these gaps. Begin the addition from the ones place. 5 plus 5 will give you 10. So have a 0 in the ones place and take the 1 to the tens place. Now you have 1 plus dash plus 2, which is going to give you the answer 5. So we know that 1 plus 2 is 3. So you need a 2 to get the answer to be 5. So fill 2 in the blank over here. Next move on to the hundreds place. 3 plus dash will give you 9. 3 plus what will give you 9? 6. So in the hundreds place the number will be 6 now. Next move on to the thousands place where you have a dash plus 6, which is going to give you the answer 9. So again 3 plus 6 is going to give you 9. So now you fill the dash and you found out the two 4-digit numbers, by adding which you will get the answer to be 9950. Let us do another set of examples. 4367 plus another 4-digit number which has 2 dash in the tens place and hundreds place. You are going to get a answer which has few numbers filled and few dashes. So let us follow the usual method of addition and find out and fill these blanks. Begin the addition from the ones place. 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So retain the 2 in the ones place and take the 1 as a carryover to the digits in the tens place. Now add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus dash is going to give you 9. What is to be filled in the dash now? It is 2. So you get the answer to be 1 plus 6 plus 2 to be 9. Next, move on to the hundreds place where you have a 3 plus dash, which is going to give you 8 as an answer in the hundreds place. 3 plus what is 8? 3 plus 5 is 8. So you get 3 plus 5 to be 8 in the hundreds place now. Next, move on to the thousands place where you have 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 will give you 12. So retain the 2 in the thousands place and take the 1 to the next new place value 10,000. So here we see that addition of two 4-digit numbers will sometimes give you a 5-digit number when you regroup the digits in the thousands place. I have dealt with all these addition concepts in detail in separate videos, link to which is given below in the description box and also in the iCard section. You may refer them for better clarification. So the sum of the two numbers 4,367 plus 8,525 will give you 12,892. Let us do another interesting sum like this. So begin the addition as usual from the ones place. It is dash plus 2 is 9. You know that 7 plus 2 is 9. Next, move on to the tens place. You have 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? It is 11. So retain 1 in the tens place and take the 1 as a carryover to the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus dash is 9. So you need a 5 in this blank space to get an answer to be 9 in the hundreds place. Next, move on to the thousands place where you have 9 plus 2, which is going to give you 11. So retain 1 in the thousands place and take the other one to the next place value 10,000. So the sum of the two 4-digit numbers is going to give you the answer 11,919. This is another interesting sum that we are going to do now. Write down the place values and add from the ones place. 2 plus 3 is 5. In tens place you have 6 plus dash is equal to 1. 6 plus dash cannot be equal to 1. It must be 11. So 6 plus something is going to give you 11. What is that? It is a 5. So in the 11 you retain the 1 in the tens place and take the other one as a carryover to the digits in the hundreds place. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus dash is 9. So you get a 5 in the blank space in the hundreds digit. Next, move on to the thousands place. 1 plus 8 is 9, which is a straight addition. Next, move on to the 10,000s place. 4 plus 3, again you get a straight answer, 7. So the sum of the two 5-digit numbers is 79,950. Let us do this example now. Begin the addition from the ones place. 6 plus dash is going to give you 3. So we know that it is going to be 13. So 6 plus what is 13? 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 in the ones place and 1 as a carryover to the tens place. I add the digits in the tens place. You will get a 13 again. So 3 in the tens place and 1 as a carryover to the digits in the hundreds place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus dash is 10. So you are having the 0 in the hundreds place. 5 plus what is 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. You retain the 0 in the hundreds place and take the 1 as a carryover to the thousands place. Add the digits in the thousands place. You will get a 11. So 1 in the thousands place and 1 as a carryover to the digits in 10,000s place. Add the digits in 10,000 place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the sum of the two 5-digit numbers is 61,033. With that we complete all topics in class 4 under the topic addition. I have dealt with each of these topics in separate videos. Link to all the related videos are given below in the description box. Dear viewers, if you like my video, give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to tap on the bell button to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. If you like the quality, please do share it with your friends and provide your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with subtraction concepts.